Hi guys, my name is Hans. I'm doing all the mechanical work on our 69 911E restoration project. So just wanted to run through the engine here quickly with you. At the beginning of the restoration, this was a good running engine. Didn't have too many issues, but obviously it didn't look as pretty as it does today. So the process involved was removing the engine, complete disassembly, cataloging all the hardware and parts, and then everything was gone through nut and bolt. There's not a part of this engine we haven't touched. You can see here the linkages. They were stripped down, cleaned up, replated, and then everything reassembled. These are the original valve covers. They look brand new. We spent a lot of hours polishing them and then refinishing the outside. Obviously with a car of this age, there was some stuff we couldn't save. For example, the lower valve covers here, once we cleaned them up and stripped them down, there's actually pinholes in them, which they couldn't be saved, so we put new genuine Porsche parts on it. And yeah, just every nut and bolt's been touched on this, and it looks like brand new, I think. So the next process will be reinstalling the engine into the car. Obviously everything's been rebuilt, it's fully sealed, ready to go. The way these cars are designed from motorsports background, the engine gearbox assembly here drops out quite easily as a unit, so it'll go back into the unit. It's just all the supporting linkages and hoses and lines. I'm working on the tunnel right now, getting all that ready so that we can just pop the engine back in and turn the key.